Welcome back. Monty here. We're wrapping up this topic 3 with rigid motions. Okay, just going to take a little quiz and then we want to talk about New Year's resolutions. Tomorrow is our last fun day of math. Okay, so we just had a little discussion about rotation and what it looks like and this pattern with the vertices. All right, now the quiz this week is multiple choice. And in these multiple choice problems, you have to make a decision. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Write a rule to describe the transformation from black to blue. The first thing you need to decide is which transformation was it. Okay, so when you look at this, translation, reflect, or rotate. Okay, now each person can make a prediction on what they see. I think in this case, to the right and down. Okay, let's go see. Rotate 180 degrees about the origin. Whoa, whoa, no way. That would put it down here. Translate, 2 to the right, 2 down. I like this. Reflect the X, plop, no way. Reflect the Y, no way. I really like B. Okay, let's look at number 2. Now, translate, reflect, rotate. Now, when I see this kite shape, my initial reaction is rotate. Translate to the left and up, no way. Translate 2 to the right, no way. Left and up, no way. Now let's just, for fun, since we talked about rotate earlier, rotate 90 degrees clockwise, okay? 90 degrees. Okay, now we just did that little activity 1 3 1 3. If you think of the patterns we've been talking about and this was to come down, do you see how this is 3 1 3 negative 1? You see how they flip? Isn't that cool? Yeah, so it's definitely a rotation and the new pattern. All right, let's look at this one. I really like this. This is easy. Left, up. So we have translate, reflect, and rotate. And it definitely does not look like a rotation counterclockwise. Plop, no. Reflect the X, no. 4 to the left, 3 down, no. 3 left, 2 up. All right? And you can pause at any time to study these before we talk, okay? And this one, R to R, Q to Q, S to S. Translate, reflect, rotate. Okay? Translate, reflect, rotate, translate. Reflect the X? No. I really like reflect the Y, rotate about the origin, rotate. You know what? If you rotate this, can you see how we're going to have like this shape? No. Rotate 180 degrees, no. Okay, I really like to reflect the y-axis. All right, so that's what we talked about, kind of rounding them off. See if you can visualize it. We started off with the idea of coordinate points for rotation because that can be confusing. Now I want to finish with one last idea. we take a little quiz, but I want you to think it's the end of the year. I want you to be inspired. I want you to like math. I want you to be able to dream the impossible dream. So a new year, a new you. What will define your next 10 years of your life? A decade, 10 years, all right? So as we talk like this, can you change your vision? Can you be inspired, okay? And in my family, we're real big about what's called New Year's resolutions, where we think about the future, all right? And I took a few minutes to share some photos of me and something that I did to change my life. And hopefully that inspires you to set a New Year's resolution and goals for yourself for the next month, the next year, and the next decade. Merry Christmas. Tomorrow will be the last of our December fun days of math. Have a great break. Bye-bye.